she always had it in for me. She was a true arch enemy. I just want somebody who want to show my fourth place trophies to. And I just want someone to hold me, knowing what my parents do. Here comes Kevin Adams with that stupid handshake thing. He's got the same ball cap, same girlfriend, and 3 shiny happy kids. A minivan all decked out with a VCR and cup holders. Dallas Cowboys tanked up over 2 humongous shoulders. The smallest kid is tugging at my dress. They named her Tess. She sees an airplane flying in the sky. Oh God, she's gonna make me cry. Oh God, she's gonna make me cry. There's Christine McCarthy and her date. She's gained some weight. I think it's positively something that she ate. But wait, I think that hunk with her is Michael Dean. He was a geeky teen, but now he is a 6-pack big machine. Christine says he's the sweetest cowboy that she's ever kissed. Rocket scientist. Now she says she's gonna be his wife. Such a crazy lie. It's such a crazy lie. Such a crazy life. It's such a crazy life. I just want somebody who want to show my 4th place trophies to. And I just want someone to hold me, knowing what my parents do. Show my 4th place trophies to. And I just want someone to hold me, knowing what my parents do. Da 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 such a crazy